Here I have a Remie Scout model typewriter. It's made by Remington. It's as I found it. So it's for a display piece. It needs to be cleaned. There's rust spotting. One thing unique about this style of typewriter, in order to type, there's a lever that you push back, and what that does is it raises the type so you can use it for typing. This Remie Scout model, it weighs about 11 pounds. The Carriage, it kind of works, but then it will stop on me because there's a lot of dust in here. A lot of dust. So I'm going to put this up on eBay as is. And since I'm thinning down my collection of old typewriters. Thank you for watching this video.